Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mega unexpected error issues in 2026. If you're seeing an unexpected error message while logging in, uploading files, downloading content, or using mega features, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, refresh the mega page or restart the mega application. Temporary glitches are one of the most common causes of unexpected errors. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Connection interruptions can prevent Mega from communicating properly with its servers. Now sign out of your account and sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve temporary account-related issues. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can often trigger unexpected errors. Next, try opening Mega in a different browser or an incognito window. This can help determine whether the problem is related to browser settings or extensions. Now temporarily disable VPN services, proxy connections, or browser extensions that may interfere with Mega's functionality. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the Mega application. If you're accessing the service through a desktop or mobile app, check your available storage space and transfer quota. Storage limits or transfer restrictions can sometimes generate unexpected error messages. Now close unnecessary background applications and restart your device to eliminate possible software conflicts. Finally, if the issue still persists, wait a few minutes and try again, as temporary server-side issues may occasionally affect Mega services. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Mega unexpected error issues. Mega should now work normally without displaying unexpected error messages. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone!